Hi, P3 students. Welcome to Math 3 class. And again, this is Miss Claire. Let's continue our lesson for math. And we are now on chapter 4. We will talk about time. In this video, you will learn two lessons we have. Lesson 1, choose a suitable unit of time. And lesson 2, read and write time. Okay, P3, are you ready? Come on, let's start. Okay, look at Easy and Ralph. Easy is watering a plant, right? She said that the growth of this plant is measured in days. Is she correct? Ralph is doing a squat. He said that he cannot use days to measure this activity because that's too long. He said that he can use minutes. Is he correct? Look at this one, children. He started doing the squat at 7:35. And the clock shows 7:36. How long? Yes, it's only 1 minute. So he is correct that squatting can be measured by minute. Okay, children, let's start with lesson 1, choosing a suitable unit of time. I have here Ron, Ralph, and Kaz. They are doing some activities. So let's order the activities from the longest to the shortest. So which one do you think is the longest activity? Yes, it's the growing plants. Ralph is growing plants because it takes days. Others are weeks or months. It has the longer period of time. Followed by, yes, watching a movie because that is counted by hours. When we watch movie, it takes 2 to 3 hours. And the shortest activity is brushing teeth because it will take only minutes, right? Okay. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, tying knots and stacking caps. Eddie ties a knot on a rope. On a rope. Guess how many knots Eddie can tie in 1 minute? So Eddie can tie one knot for 5 seconds. How many do you think in 1 minute? Okay, if you know the answer, you can share that during our class. On the other hand, Ron stacks 10 cups. He takes 5 minutes to stack the cups. Okay. So, stacking the cups takes longer period, children, because that is 5 minutes. Okay. However, tying the knot is a short activity, so it only takes 5 seconds to tie one knot. Next is watching a show. Easy is watching a show. She watches the show for 2 hours. Yes, it's correct. When we watch a show, that is only counted by hours because that is shorter than days. Days has 24 hours. The next show will be into this later. Okay, so what are other activities that have only 1 hour? Watching a movie, right? That is 1 hour. Or maybe having an exercise. You can have it for a 1 hour. Okay. Next, let's have life cycles. Okay, are you familiar with the life cycle of a butterfly? Yes, the life cycle of a butterfly takes 4 weeks, starting from eggs. Then it will hatch. It will become a caterpillar. Then it will become a pupa. Then it becomes an adult butterfly. So it takes 4 weeks. On the other hand, children, we have the life cycle of some frogs. Okay, some frogs will take months or years for their life cycles from eggs to tadpoles and an adult frog. So they have different duration, shorter for butterfly, longer for frogs. Okay, now let's go children for reading and writing time. Okay, Ron reads the time on the clock now. Take a look. He says that it's 4:07. Is he correct? 1 minute later is 4:08. Is he correct for that? Do you think Ron is correct? Okay, let's see. So, 1 minute later. This is not 4:07, children. This is 4:35 because the hands of the clock, when it moves from one number to the next number, it means that it's 5 minutes. So if this is 4:35, 1 minute later is 4:38. Okay? Okay, I have here using a digital clock and an analog clock. Joe reads the time using a digital clock and an analog clock. So this type of clock, children, that's showing only the time is what we call a digital clock. On the left side, as you can see, the number 5, that is the hour. The number 48 is the minute, and they are separated by a double dot. Okay? This time, the time read as 5:48, or we can read it as 48 minutes past 5 or 12 minutes to 6. This clock is an analog clock. It has long hand, short hand, and the numbers from 1 to 12. To read the minutes, we will skip count by 5, okay? There are 60 tick marks here. One tick mark means 1 minute. So this clock shows 5, 40, 5, 46, 47, 48. So this is 5:48. So the same as the digital clock on the top. But this is the analog clock, okay? Okay, having a picnic. Izzy and Ralph are having a picnic. The time shows 9:27 in the morning. It means this is 27 minutes past 9. Okay, remember? 27 minutes past 9 or 33 minutes to 10 o'clock. Remember, 33 minutes to 10 o'clock. Another one here. I have another problem. Playing a frisbee. Izzy and Ralph are playing frisbee in a park. The time shows 3:16. We can read this time as 16 minutes past 3. So that's how to read it. 13 minutes past 3. How about how many minutes this time will go to 4 o'clock? So we just simply subtract 60 minutes minus 16. And the answer, that is the minutes to 4 o'clock. Okay, P3. Okay, P3, that's all about lesson 1 and lesson 2 for chapter 4. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class. Thank you for watching P4 and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and enjoy the rest of the day. Okay, P3, that's all about lesson 1 and lesson 2 for chapter 4. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class. Thank you for watching P4 and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and enjoy the rest of the day.